Morning guys, in front of me is Oppo A40 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First, open new message. Then click on Start Chat. And here you've got your current keypad. To change it, mark Settings icon, go to Languages, tap on plus to add new keyboard, select the one that you want to use. Let me choose some more different. For example, this one. Let me mark done. And if you want, you can stay with 2 languages or even more. Then, to switch between them, you will have to use this word icon. And as you can see right after you mark it, the keypad is changed. But once you want to have 1 language only, just go back and open it again. Let's go back to Settings, select Languages. You can smoothly remove the unnecessary language by tapping on Edit, mark the icon and select the bin icon. Go back. And that's it. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.